Hey everyone, in today's video, I will guide you on how to start an LLC in Texas. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in Texas using an app called Bazy. I'll provide you with every up-to-date info that you need to know about Bazy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So as you can see, this is the homepage of Busy. You can just you can just dive into busy.com and this is the homepage. So first of all, what is an LLC or limited liability company? So LLC is a type of business structure that combines elements of both corporations and partnerships. It offers flexibility and protection, making it a popular choice for many entrepreneurs. So all you have to do right now is click over form your free LLC now, and you click over start over here, and we have here two things. You have just to choose it. So we have here entity type, and then we have here state. Then if we scroll down, we have here three packages. The first one we have basic one, and it's for free, but you have to pay $300 for state fee, and it's 4 weeks. So we have here preparing and fill out the articles of organization, free the first year, registered agent service. Then we have here online access dashboard, business banking account offer, business tax consultation. Then we have the second package is standard, so we have to pay $199 plus $300 state fee, and it's 4 weeks. So we have here business tax number, and we don't have in the first. Also we have operating agreement that we don't have in the first. Also lifetime compliance alerts and a limited phone and email support here. And then we have the last one, it's years for 2553, and that's it for the second one. And let's move into the last package. It's premium, so it's for $299 plus $300 stage free, and it's for 2 days. Then we have here we have expedited film, and we have business contract templates that we don't have in the port of this package. And also we have domain name plus business email that we don't have in the standard package, and that's it. So if you're done with that, you have just to click over get started. Then you will find company information, so you write your LLC name. For example, I will write Mike, for example. Then also you choose the designator. Of course you will choose LLC. Then you click over next. Then we have in the next page contact person, so you have just to write your personal information like first name, last name, email, and your mobile phone, and then you click over next. Then we have company address information, so you have just to read this information first. Then you will choose if you want a professional business address and virtual mail service, or you can use my own address. So let's choose the second one. Per the first one we have, it's $29 per month, and right now I will write my personal company address, so like street address here, city, state, and zip code. Then you click over next. Then we have here, you click over use Android, and then we have the next page. It's please provide members information for my LLC. So the first one, number of members or owners. So I will choose one, for example. We have how much here? We have 6. It's the max. Then you will choose of this member one. You have, if you want to work individuals, select if member is a person, company, select if a member is a company. So I will choose individual. Then I will write this information and I will click over next. Then we have in the next page registered agent information. So you have just to read this information. Then you will choose if you want to assign Busy as my registered agent free for 1 year, or I would like to act as my own registered agent. Then you have to click over next. Then in the next page we have tax identification number information. So I am a foreign individual and do not have a social security number. So you can choose yes or no. So I will choose yes and I will click over agree and I write my personal information, also physical street address, and then I will click over next. Then we have setting up small business banking. So as you can see, you can just read this information. Then I will click over yes, I'm interested. And then in the next page, we have free consultation, tax strategy. So it's important to read this information before choosing one of them. So I will choose, for example, this one, and I will click over next. Then I have here business licenses and permits. So I have team of licensing specialists will conduct the research for you, and we have also other things. So I will choose no thanks, I'll do the work myself, or yes please mail the applications, but you have to pay $99, and then I will click over next after choose the first one. And we have here order summary 4. So you can edit your information. If you did a mistake, you can just edit it and modify your mistake. We have agent info, company address and contact address, member info, and we have tax info. And then we click over next. And we have the last step, it's bill information. You can choose PayPal if you want, if you have PayPal, or you can choose credit card, and then you click over this credit card information and you write your personal information card, and then we have billing address, and then you have just to scroll down and read this information like additional explanation. So we have what is the cancellation policy for my order, can I edit my order after it's being placed, what happens after I pay, how can I track my order. Then you can just click over here and you get your answers. After that, you have just to click over here and you click over complete and pay, and you're done with your inscription and how to start on LLC Texas. So I have done with these things. You have just to pay attention and give your personal information correctly. Also, you have to work and work to start with busy. So it's very helpful and useful to start right now after choose Texas and write your personal information. So it's easy to start with it. And right now, so as you guys can see with the help of Busy, you can create your own LLC in Texas. It's a straightforward guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it can be. I hope this video has made your process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more business types and tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comments sections down below, and I will be happy to help. And have a fantastic day ahead. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.